Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've been reading all the comments on my AutoCAD licensing video, and I have to say, if I wasn't in business and planning to eventually sell the artwork that I generate with the software, I would probably be right on the high seas with you guys. After all, it isn't just AutoCAD that I lost access to. I lost access to 3ds Max, Mudbox, and Inventor Pro, which had motion simulation and FEA. They changed their terms of service in order to force mine and everyone else in the same situation's hand into using new software on a subscription basis. That's not what I bought. I bought a permanent standalone license. And it shouldn't matter if I decide to park on that version forever. Come up with the software that better suits my needs for a reasonable price, and maybe I'll choose you, Pikachu. But don't put a time bomb in the software and make this the most expensive thumb drive that I own. That's no way to get a loyal consumer base. So let's talk about the downsides of piracy, especially with AutoCAD. AutoCAD is known for an aggressive legal team. If you're just some guy drawing up stuff to print on your 3D printer, they'll probably never know your name, never even care about you. The rub comes in if you're in business and making money using their software. So before cancer and losing my fingers, I ran a machine shop that did product design, development, and light production. And I had a client that they'd been using a alternatively licensed software. And it was okay. Nobody had a problem with it. Everybody understood. I mean, AutoCAD's expensive. But somehow the motherland found out that they had been using it for like a decade, like 10 years, and a couple seats at that. So attorneys were called, letters were sent, and all of a sudden that company's looking about a $300,000 judgment, and they have to promise to be for the next 5 years on a current subscription basis for all of their seats. It about shut the company down. So seeing that actually happen, because eventually I would love it if a company decided that they liked my project as much as I do and were willing to put in the $1.5 million that it's going to take in order to get a Part 104K from the FDA in order to get it out of the DIY and into the clinical setting where insurance can pay for it. And with that, I'd hate for there to be any type of research on there and come up with some software licensing issue that could really throw the whole thing sideways. I do think that I have found a software that's going to replace at least the AutoCAD portion of my needs. Right now, I'm trying to figure out if they're into doing an affiliate marketing deal with the channel. If they are, expect to see a video on it. Until then, I'm kind of still searching. Love to continue the conversation. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Is it the best smelling, best tasting ever, guys? Well, Gooby-Doos have some. You're such a pig. Such a pig. Such a pig.